Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Microsoft Store. Okay, so first up, you gotta find your search bar and type down run and just hit on enter. Now you gotta type down in here WS reset. Okay, again, WS reset, and then hit on OK. Wait for it, and as you can see here, Microsoft Store will automatically open and hopefully fixes your issue. If not, you gotta find your Start menu, right click on it, and click on Install the Apps. Wait for it to load, and then once it loads, gotta find Microsoft Store. So to find it, gotta scroll all the way down until you find System Components. Okay, just click on it, and here we have Microsoft Store. So just click on the three dots and click on Advanced Options. And then here, scroll all the way down and find Terminate. Click on it. And then once done, click on Repair. Wait for the process to finish. And then after that, you can now go ahead and test Microsoft Store right here and check if it helps. If not, again, just close the store and then just click on Reset right here and click on Reset. Okay? Wait for it. And then once done, test it out again. Just like so. Now, if that still won't work, we are going to need to right click on the Start menu and click on Terminal Admin. Right here, there'll be a pop-up, just click on yes. And in the description below, I have this command where you can just go ahead and copy and paste it right here, okay? Control V to paste. And then once that's done, just hit on enter, wait for it. And then after that, just type down exit. Now you gotta restart your computer. And after that, run Microsoft Store and everything should work perfectly fine now. That is it. That is how you reset your Microsoft Store. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.